Hey there, let's jump right into this explainer on easily mastering image metadata on Windows 11.
Want to crush your SEO and boost privacy, all without the massive technical headaches?
You'll literally just need a Windows 11 PC, about 5 minutes, and basic command prompt skills.
ExifTool is an absolute beast. It fully supports reading and editing over 200 different file formats. Installation is a breeze. Just download it, extract the zip, rename the file, and move it over.
Now the real secret sauce here is adding it to your system path to run commands anywhere.
Simply edit those environment variables, pop in the new folder path, and restart your command prompt.
All set? Type ExifTool-ver right in your prompt to instantly check your current version.
You know, the IPTC standard literally calls this structured metadata essential for proper image discoverability.
So getting this right is an absolute game changer for visibility on giants like Amazon and Shopify. And reading that data? Super simple. A quick command easily pulls all info or just specific tags.
Plus, you can easily inject copyrights, wipe everything clean, or process entire folders in seconds.
Hitting a not recognized error? Don't panic. It's almost always just a simple path issue.
The quickest fix is usually just restarting your command prompt since Windows doesn't reload path automatically.
But let's be real. Studies show these command line tools take up to 5 times longer to learn.
So if you'd rather skip the terminal completely, check out the Exif Injector alternative.
It gives you a fully browser-based visual interface with absolutely zero installation for bulk processing.
It easily optimizes your visibility across over 140 platforms, including Etsy and Google.
And it's handling serious volume, effortlessly processing over 200,000 images every single month. So what'll it be? Hand-coding your metadata or letting a sleek visual tool do the heavy lifting?
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With Exif Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. Exif, IPTC, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit ExifInjector.com. Start free today.